This is a feed crushing mixer. Mainly crushed corn, beans, bran, cornstarch, and corn can also be added and stirred together. After stirring, pass through the elevator. Lift into a horizontal belt mixer. Straw crushing and kneading all in one machine. Divide the straw into small sections and send them to the horizontal mixer through the belt conveyor. Mix with powder. Through the discharge port to another belt conveyor. Into the dispenser. Below the distributor are two 400 pellet machines. Each machine produces 2 tons per hour. We can provide customized services for you, according to your needs, tailor-made products for you. Please watch the video of feed pellet machine processing below. Today we are testing 100 type stainless steel feed mixer, screw elevator, and 260 type feed pellet machine. The entire production and processing lines can produce up to 1200 caddies of feed pellets per hour. Can effectively save a lot of labor costs. More efficient and faster to improve the time of feeding livestock and poultry. The matching motors for these 3 products. The 100 type mixer is equipped with a 2-phase 3000 watt motor. It can mix 200 caddies of material at a time. The screw elevator is equipped with 3 electric 3000 watt motors. The length can be customized according to the size of your space. Model 260 feed pellet machine. Equipped with a 3-phase, 18.5 kilowatts national standard motors. The hourly output can reach 1200 caddies. At the same time, there are also straw crushing and kneading all in one machine and multifunctional pulverizers. It can meet the feeding needs of different choosers. You can take a look at the process of processing and making feed pellets in the entire production line, very efficient and fast. Anyone who likes or wants to know about our products, welcome to leave a message and tell me. I will reply to you one by one.